Understanding on my feed. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, on my feed. This is a term you'll often encounter on social media platforms and websites. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it. The phrase, on my feed, refers to the stream of content that is displayed on your social media platform or website homepage. This content is usually tailored to your interests based on what you follow or interact with online. It's like a personalized news bulletin of digital content. The term, feed, in this context comes from the idea of feeding information to users, much like feeding animals. It's a continuous process, where the information is regularly updated with new posts, articles, or notifications that flow to you without any active search. Let's look at some examples. I saw your vacation photos on my feed this morning. They looked amazing. I get a lot of cooking recipes on my feed because I follow many culinary pages. Using on my feed in a sentence is simple. Just remember, it's usually used to talk about content that appears automatically on your social media or website homepage. There was an interesting article on my feed about English idioms. And that's a wrap on my feed. Remember, this phrase is all about the customized content you receive on your digital platforms. We hope this video has been enlightening and you're now comfortable using the phrase. Happy browsing, and see you next time!